Sportsman's Guide, we're at the SHOT Show 2024 with Dustin from Real Avid, talking about new products for 2024, and this is pretty exciting. The Bore Max Master Cleaning Kit, and this thing, it's like the MacGyver of MacGyvers from a toolkit perspective.
Yeah, this is high performance cleaning packed into one case that you can use at your house, at your range, at deer camp. Whatever it is you're needing this for, this is the kit that's for you.
It can live on the bench, it can go anywhere you go.
Correct, yep. So,
and this is it all put together.
This is it all put together. So this is the Bore Max Master Cleaning Kit in mobile workstation. So the whole thing comes in this case. It's water resistant. We got a handle on it so we can carry it. And then we can actually open it up and operate it a couple different ways. So the lid, I can actually open it up like your traditional...
Like a toolbox,
Yep, traditional toolbox type thing. And then, of course, you know, we can lay it down, and you see on the back side here, I got more clamps. So the lid will come completely off.
Right.
So we could set the lid over here, and, you know, now it could be a parts tray. It could be a drip pan for whenever my bore solvents, I'm running the bore solvents through the house. Then the tray on the inside comes out, and inside of this is really where that Bore Max Master Cleaning Kit part comes in. It's all of this right here, because, you know, we got our bore guide here that's going to work on long action, short action, AR-15s, AR-10s. We got our new 3-piece rod that has compression lock inside of the thread. So what it is we just put some rubber inside of there.
Okay.
And then as we tighten this down, it gets compressed up against that rubber. The rubber's pushing back into it. So no more running a rod through your rifle and you start hearing something like moving around because it's coming loose, right?
Exactly.
We took care of that problem. Then we have our AccuGrip steel picks. And then we have our micro brushes here. But the real magic, you know, for me is right here. So this is our Bore Max Speed Clean System. We go 22 to 45 caliber with the brushes and jags for the pistol. Then we can do the 223 up to a 30 cal brushes and jags for the rifles. And then we have your 20 gauge and your 12 gauge right here.
Nice.
So pretty much anything you're going to be doing, range, hunting, just having a good time, bird hunting, whatever it is, we got you covered right there. And of course, all of your patches kind of sit underneath there.
For those.
Yes, so just phenomenal storage, right? So once this tray comes out, we have inside of here, we actually have our yokes. Now the yokes do pop up and they lock in. So if you're familiar with our speed stain, you're familiar kind of with this setup.
Yep.
And then we got our gun gripper technology on here. So this gun gripper technology works great. I'm gonna grab a rifle from behind you. Works great because now I can actually take this guy, doesn't matter what it is or where I am, and just drop it in. She's locked in.
Yep, held tight,
now
locked in, ready to work on.
Exactly. Now there was a mat here. The mat unrolls, sits in the tray there, and then we have our Smart Assist light that comes inside here as well. And on each corner, we have our smart docks for our Smart Assist system. So I can throw this up here, throw this in there. So if I'm at deer camp, let's say, and I need a little bit of lighting, I now have that, so if I need to work on my rifle, clean my rifle, whatever it is.
And wherever you need it, you can move it where you need it.
Exactly, yep. And it's all set in this one kit, kit. That's why we say, it is high performance cleaning with the mobile workstation.
It's amazing innovation, and you can find this innovation at the Sportsman's Guide.